Imagine a world with no hypothetical situations. Now, forget that. Imagine a world where the most valuable currency isn't money, but creative thinking. A world where thinking outside the box isn't just an asset, it's a necessity. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. We are entering a phase where humans will be facing a crisis of relevance. The skills that once guaranteed success, logical, linear, left brain thinking, are becoming obsolete. Why? Globalization and automation, outsourcing and artificial intelligence. Factory workers, accountants, even coders are being replaced by cheaper labor abroad and more efficient machines at home. But here's the messed up part. Our education systems and corporate cultures are still largely geared towards industrial age vertical thinking. We're preparing our children and our workforce for a world that is rapidly disappearing. It's like everybody wondering if they're fat when they should really be wondering if they're boring. So how do we adapt? By embracing what Daniel Pink calls right-directed thinking. This isn't about neglecting logic or analysis, but complementing them with skills that machines cannot easily replicate, like design, the human ability to combine emotion, beauty, and functionality. And then there's story, the capacity to craft compelling narratives in a world drowning in information. Symphony, the talent to synthesize disparate pieces into a coherent whole. Empathy, the knack for understanding and connecting with others on a human level. Play, the gift of humor, lightheartedness, and joyful discovery. And lastly, meaning, the pursuit of purpose and transcendence in our lives and our work. These human elements aren't just nice to haves. They're becoming essential for success in the 21st century. Imagine a future where creativity is as valued as literacy, where schools teach empathy and storytelling along with math and science. In this world, the most successful individuals aren't necessarily the ones with the highest IQ, but those with the most original ideas and the ability to connect desperate concepts in novel ways. So what can you do to prepare for this future? Start by cultivating your right brain skills. Practice mindfulness to enhance your creativity and intuition. Engage in activities that challenge your perspective, like art or improv comedy. Read widely and diversely to broaden your mental horizons. Collaborate with people from different backgrounds to develop your empathy and synthesis skills. As our world becomes increasingly automated and outsourced, our unique human qualities, our creativity, our empathy, our ability to find meaning will become our most valuable assets. I guarantee it. The future will belong to those who can imagine it differently.